I'm gonna show you how to make more money with this mango. See, this mango was only $1.50. I'm gonna sell it for $6 by adding more value to it. All right, so now we're in Soho. I'm about to sell my mango for $6. This nice lady let me borrow her cart. Let's get it done. You have to find arbitrage. Life is about selling something you bought, created, made, or put together at a higher price than what you paid for it. Yo, it's harder than it looks. That spread is your arbitrage that you can use to buy more of that same product and do it all over again.
Where's the number 6 train?
I don't know, but do you want some mangoes?
Not really.
And now I know what you're thinking, Jose. Why would somebody pay you $6 for a mango? Mangoes, bro? Mangoes? They're juicy, bro. Yeah. Sweet. I've been here for like 30 minutes, bro. My man. All right. They're $6 a bag. Is that good?
Cash, yeah, Venmo?
Zelle.
All right, thank you, man.
All right, thank you, brother. $6. I know. That might have seemed really basic, but so many people don't see all the opportunities around them to grab something, create value, repurpose it, and create that profit margin. 2, make money as you sleep. I'm working and my phone is literally ringing off all the time. See, and don't get me wrong, I don't believe in passive income. I do believe in time efficiency. See, when you create that solution or product, you no longer have to strictly trade time for money. Now, I can sleep for 8 hours like a baby and wake up the next day with X amount already earned while I was sleeping. Let me show you just how effective this is. Okay, I'm gonna change your salary and you have to choose between making $100 an hour for hour worked or 40 cents every minute of the day, even when you sleep.
40 cents.
40 cents?
40 cents.
40 cents a minute. Yeah, definitely 40 cents a minute.
All right, let me do the $100.
All right, which one are you taking?
40 cents.
3, you have to protect what you already have. I'm gonna show you how costly not to defend yourself is. This is my man Juan. He's been training boxing for like 5 years already. For every body shot that man lands on me, I'm gonna give you $10 in 30 seconds. God damn.
You gotta protect yourself. How much?
Finish him. Fatality.
You gotta keep your hands up. You're too open. Look, literally like this. Copy and paste what I'm doing. Just like that. Poke your elbow out. There you go. Boom. Simple as that.
Bro, I not only effed up my health, I effed up my pocketbook, man. Yo, it was clean, bro. That's how dangerous it is to not protect yourself. How many shots did he get in me? That's because I didn't defend myself. The same way that the #1 rule in boxing is
to hit and not get hit.
It's the same thing with investing. Don't lose money.
The first rule in investment is don't lose. And the second rule in investment is don't forget the first rule.
The point is that whether you have $5 or $500,000 in your bank, you have to protect what you already own, especially against what is the #1 crime in America, which is identity theft, with our sponsor Aura. Oh, come on. That was kind of smooth, bro. See, for years, this crimes rate has been surging, affecting millions of Americans. A new victim of identity theft happens every 14 seconds. Yet, despite this, those who have had their identity stolen end up shocked or surprised. Imagine trying to log into your email one day only to see that your password's been changed hours ago. Then you start getting notifications of activity in your bank account, in your crypto wallet, or on your credit card activity. That's when the feelings of panic, fear, anxiety, paranoia, anger, frustration, and even guilt start to set in. This is why I'm excited to partner with Aura, who's sponsoring today's video. Aura is an identity theft protection, fraud monitoring, VPN, password management, and antivirus software, all combined into one easy-to-use app. Aura then monitors the dark web for emails, passwords, social security numbers, and sends alerts fast when they're being used in the dark web, right to your email and through text, right to your phone and to your email. And when it comes to fraud, every second matters. So when you connect your credit card and your bank accounts to Aura, they will notify you 4 times faster than any of Aura's competitors. And then their VPN allows you to browse safely online while keeping your browsing and personal information safe and encrypted. And then their antivirus software will then block malware and any viruses that can infect your device. I want you you to protect you and your family from America's fastest growing crime. Try Aura free for 2 weeks and see if you and any of your family's personal information has been compromised. Start your free trial today by clicking the link down below or going to aura.com/TMF. Number 4, you gotta understand that we're playing for keeps. See, nobody is your friend, especially when there's money involved. People are naturally greedy, and I know what you're thinking. That's a cold world, but that's how you have to think. Okay, Anthony, I need you to count every single piece of inventory in this office, hopefully by the end of today. Good? Okay. This is why I always say, work in silence, understand your craft, gain some competitive advantage over your competition that's still sleeping.
Okay, 120, 30, period. Easy peasy.
See, when it comes to your money, this isn't charity. This isn't about playing nice. You should think of this like a sport. Imagine you're in a basketball game. You scored 100, the other team scored 80. At the end of the game, are you gonna come over to the team and say, oh, I'm sorry, here's an extra 10 points. I'm sorry that you guys lost. No, you won't do that.
This is a lot. There's no way I'm gonna beat them by the end of the day. I'm never getting out of here. Nope.
You need to have winners and losers, and for whatever you work for, you should get paid for.
I'm done. I did it. Jose, I'm done.
What's the number?
So I made 8,949 items.
Okay, I'm gonna give you an option.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you $1 for every item you counted. So what was it, 9,000? You can take the 9,000, or out of the goodness of your heart, you can grab those 9,000 and pay random people's rent. You'd pay 3 random persons' rent for 1 month.
Can I keep 3K?
No, all of it. It's all or nothing.
So I'll keep the money.
You gonna keep it all? Mm-hmm. Smart. See, you worked for that money.
Yeah, I did.
Number 5, savings will never make you rich. See, savings, yes, will make you feel safe. It won't make you rich. See, money can work in the same way you work and make money for you. In other words, you can put your assets to work for you to create more revenue. This then takes you on to my previous tip where you start earning money as you sleep. Number 6, the more you learn, the more you earn. Not to sound cliche here, but knowledge is literal wealth. Now the saddest part is that most guys are wishing to be done with school so they never have to read or study ever again in their life. I want you to switch that mindset to wanting to learn new things that either make you more valuable or make you more cash. And some of you might just be shocked as to how much you just don't know. I'm gonna prove it to you. I'm gonna ask you 5 questions, and these are questions for first graders. The best one out of 5 gets $100. All right, what is the first year of the 20th century?
1901.
Isaiah, are you sure?
Yep. 1901.
You're right.
Nice.
How many minutes are in half an hour?
30.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're right. How many times can you subtract 6 out of 48?
4.
You are an idiot.
I'm just throwing numbers.
No, you are.
Smart ass.
All right, these guys are taking forever. Let's move on to the next bit. We'll come back to these guys. And finally, number 7, I want you to spend it. I'm gonna get a little flack for this, but I've just realized that money can get lost faster than what you can make it. And here's the thing, if you don't enjoy it while you have it young, while you have strength, what's the point of sitting on all that cash feeling secure once you're already 50 and 60? I want the vacations, the supercars, the nice watches, the nice homes, the nice places to visit, the good restaurants. I want them now while I'm young and I can enjoy them. And I'm not telling you to do this to impress others, absolutely not. I'm doing this to tell you to enjoy and create valuable memories today that you can always count back or reminisce on, especially on those moments that you feel low. There is no point in creating all this cash and not actually enjoying it. Matter of fact, between making $100 an hour for hours worked or 40 cents a minute even while you sleep.
I'll take the 40 cents.
40 cents, that makes the most sense.
Not 40 cents.
3, 2, 1. So they're a little smarter than what I thought. I thought this was gonna go completely different. But when you trade time for money, if you're only making $100 for hours worked, so let's take an 8-hour workday, but subtract lunch because you're not working that hour, you're only making 3.5K a week or 182,000 a year. Look at the difference when you stop trading time for money. You make 4,000 a week, 210,000 a year. That small incremental change, even though it's slower, it's like a slow drip that amounts to much more at the end. All right, y'all got the answer?
Yes. It's 8.
You sure?
Absolutely. It has to be.
Final?
Yes.
Right. He's right.
There you go. Yes.
All right, next one. What was Rosa Parks famous for?
Sitting in the back of the bus. No, the front of the bus. Damn it.
In front of the bus. In front of the bus.
Sure?
The front of the bus.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
She's correct. All right, last one. Isaiah, you got 2, right?
Yeah.
All right. Who invented the light bulb?
Thomas
Edison.
That was Isaiah, right?
That was me.
Congrats, bro.
Good job, bro.